Hi, I'm Jordan Hansen, and Rhode Island is where we're going today. We're going to talk about how to get that business data from Rhode Island, from their Secretary of State search, how to get it via API with our portal, and then with Postman to see how you can form that query to automate your data. And then if you're a JavaScript user, we're going to walk through briefly the SDK. Let's go to Rhode Island. These are the fields available. No status in Rhode Island, which is weird and sad, but there is officer information and there is organization documents. Rhode Island is kind of cool because look at, here's their site. All these different things you can search by, such as a purpose, like an industry, an address, an agent name even, and an individual name if it's an officer or director or anything like that. Today we're just going to do entity name. I'm going to do Frank. We're going to search. Okay, how about that one? Frank and Diane E. Santos. And you can see all this information. We have such thing as the registered agent, the resident agent there. Looks like they don't have any officers, I guess. They're a non-entity type. It's a non-resident landlord. Interesting. I didn't know you could do that or have that. Let's show this over here. This is in the Cobalt Intelligence portal. Let me search. This is a way for you to test the data. You can make sure it matches what you'd expect. It's going to actually make a request via API and then return this data in a pretty JSON format like this. Now what you do is you take this API key right here and you come over here to a Postman, for example, or wherever your code is of choice, and you can test the data. So we search right here, you take that API key, you put it in your header, you're gonna have x-API-key, put the API key right there, and then bam, look at that. Now, JavaScript users, this is for you. Come over here, you can import or you can install this via npm, and then I'll walk you through how to do it. You can come over here, you're gonna take that API key, you're gonna say new SOS API, which you've imported from that SDK, and we'll have a link to it here in our description, and then you're gonna be able to say await SOS API to get business details. Required fields are the business name and the state. Other than that, you can do other things like I don't want live data, or I want a screenshot, or I want to search by street, city, and zip. And that is what we did here. We searched for a screenshot. Let's click on it and check it out. Here's the screenshot. See, that's where we were. Now you can show that, hey, on Saturday, July 23rd, I got this screenshot. I showed that I went to this location, and that is all for Rhode Island.